What's up, y'all? It's your girl LettaJean, and I am here today cleaning up my side of the bed. Y'all know how it is. Men ain't the only ones that's messy, okay? Ladies, we be keeping up some mess sometime, okay? So I got tired of my husband telling me I need to fix this stuff up and clean this side up, blah blah blah. You don't know how it is. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm just cleaning up my mess, cleaning off this table, and trying to get some organization going. So y'all ride with me for a little bit, and I'm gonna get my little side cleaned up. Y'all, I got a candy cane. Oh my god, I know that's from Christmas. Oof. And then this is my microphone, y'all. Sometimes I do my music from the bed, okay? Even though I do like my voiceovers and stuff like this, like I'm doing right now. That's what I use the microphone for. So I don't always have to go to the studio and everything. Anywho, I'm looking forward to the new house where there will be space for me to have like a little office in my bedroom, and I can do the same exact thing. If I need to go to the studio and hear it all over the house and stuff like that, I can do that. But if I don't want to leave my room, I don't have to. If I don't want to, y'all feel me? Let's trust and believe God for this new house, amen? So it's coming, for real, for real. But I know. If I want that new house, I got to do what I got to do with what I have right now. So I'm going to do better. Look at all of my journals, y'all. I have an issue. So I love journals, notebooks, notepads, stationery. Like when Lisa Frank was popping, we was best friends, okay? Lisa Frank was everything, all right? So that as I got older, I just started collecting books, notebooks, journals. I love all of them. So every time I get a new idea, each idea needs a notebook. So some of these I haven't even written in yet, and some have a few words put in there, but I'm gonna use each one of them, okay? New ideas coming. Write it down, write the vision, make it plain, right? I know I told you that I be making music from my bed, so I had to get like a little tray for my laptop, put my beat machine right next to the bed, because when I feel creative, it's right here. Even though my studio setup is right outside of my bedroom, I still have my moments where I just want to do work from my bed, and as long as as long as it gets done, then there's no issue where in my house I do my work. You feel me? I feel like the best work I've done was in this bed. Look at my kids. Best work done in this bed. You feel me? Ooh. I love him. I love my husband. Shout out to him, because he's sitting right over there on the bed while I'm cleaning up the room, chilling, playing Contest of Champions. I know. So I love him. I'm still trying to figure out how I want to lay out my table. So I'm just playing around with stuff, really. I don't know. I think I'm going to just end up changing it anyway. We'll see. I don't know. I was trying to be like, make it some kind of artwork masterpiece of notebooks. I don't know what I was thinking about. I don't know. Cause, whatever. Yeah, Mike goes there. Then the bottom shelf is pretty much good. And everything else is finally in order the way it needs to be. I put everything back in place. I settled on this little layout for now. We'll see how functional it is once I get in bed and play out my normal routine. So that's it, guys. I'm pretty much done. I got our additional pillows off into the corner and stuff. And then I got all of my music right here by me. All of my mini pens. I have so many pens and markers and highlighters and stuff. And I'm finna get some more too. So I got this little shelf I made out of a printer box and some other boxes that came inside of it. So this is just like a little shelf I made. I should have recorded myself doing that, but I didn't. And then this is everything else that I have laid out. Thanks for tuning in.